How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Shure SM7B. It is mid-2024 and this is what I purchased, and we are going to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we do have this nice cover that goes over top, and then it looks like we've got the factory sealed sticker piece on here. So let's go ahead and cut that open, and we'll do that. And on the box, you can see it has Shure on there. And let's go ahead and pop that right open. And we'll take this piece right here, a nice little cardboard piece over top. Looks like a nice Shure sticker right there. That's pretty cool. Wired, safety technology, all that good stuff right there, which I'm sure you don't care about. We've got the back cover for the microphone right there. It's a nice metal piece, so you can put it on the back. And here is the microphone itself. So first thing you notice, it is heavy and feels like great quality. That's what I really love about the Shure products. So you can see, there it is. So it connects via your XLR down here. There's your XLR input. There's your little screw in right there. And there's the bottom of the microphone. We can see right there, it has the Shure, and then this is where you can put that piece over top and screw it in nicely. And then we do have the wire that comes out, which is fine, it's hidden. And then we do have the adjustment pieces right here. So we'll put the microphone aside for a sec and we'll see what else we have. We've got a little strap right here to hold the wiring down, which is good. And then in this right here, we have a bigger pop filter, which is pretty cool that they include that for you. So got this right here. Oh, there is a nice piece. You can have a little smaller connector piece on there, which is nice. And there's your other larger pop filter if you want to use that one. I think the one built in is perfectly fine. And here again is the microphone itself. Just a great quality microphone. Absolutely love it. So if you want that nice close-up look at it. And this is the audio from my computer, the built-in microphone on my computer. You can just see how horrible it sounds. It's very echoey. It's just not good quality at all. And now we're on the Shure SM7B microphone, and you can just see right away, it's just a night and day difference completely. It's an amazing microphone. I'm absolutely in love with it. I will not buy another microphone for the rest of my life. This is literally the best microphone ever made.